Layman ka? True!
Real or fake?
It's real. That your crush is real. Sa isa ka? Real or fake? Real. Tapos mo si Layman.
Hala, real.
It's real.
Real ko no.
If you do Layman, you will not see Kiki because she was sweet and charming.
Ah, sweet ko no.
It's literally Layman. Layman, good news. Huy, amaya, tago na ako pag-record.
Mag-edit.
Hi guys!
Sa Instagram.
Manguli na kami liman.
Hi vlog ano, hi vlog. Hi vlog ano. Hoy!
Uy, sukiran! Layman! Babay daw! Yan!
Bye guys. Kahit tagbisan ko nila. Unfair.
Liman!
Bye.